Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I'm going to explain JP Morgan Chase and Co. This is for software engineering Python developer. The category is software engineering role, full-time role. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka, two locations they are mentioning. So this is all the top title, everything you can see now. BSc, BA degree of equivalent experience, expectation of application data and infrastructure. And this is all the qualification, the expectation from JP Morgan company. About us, there are almost 25 years of experience here working. It's all the similar jobs in Tampa and Canada in the United States. If you want to go for abroad, you can apply now. The job description will be software engineering groups. We are looking for a foremost people who are passionate in solving business problems we are expecting. And trusting and provoking environmental, they are providing collaborative on common goals which you are going to achievement. And expert in Java, they are looking for Python. So if you have done any certification in Python course, it will be helpful for them to learn. This is all they're expecting from JP Morgan from freshers. You can apply any degree experience. So don't worry guys, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Thanks for watching this channel.